Happy morning, children. We are going to solve practice set 5.3 question number 5. You have to solve 198 cube. Means you have to find the value of it by using the formula. Okay. 198 cube means we can write it as, now using the formula means it should be of the form a plus b the whole cube, or it can be of the form a minus b the whole cube. So 198, simplest way we can write it as 200 minus 2. 200 minus 2 is 198 cube, which is equal to, again a minus b the whole cube formula we have to apply. What is the formula of a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Here our a is 200. I will write separately like this. A is 200 and b is 2. And now we will apply the formula. A cube means 200 cube minus 3 into a square means 200 square into b is 2 plus 3 into a is 200 into b square means 2 square minus 2 cube. This you can write it separately. Now 200 cube means 200 into 200 into 200. So how you will calculate 200 into 200 into 200? See, 200 into 200 into 200. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So how many you are going to get? 80 lakhs. So we will write 6 minus 3 into 200 square will be, again 200 square means 200 into 200. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s are 4. So you will get here 3 into 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 4. 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8, which is equal to 80 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the number of zeros properly. Minus. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus here 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 2400 minus 8. Now this is simple. You can do the calculation. Subtract this. Add 2400 and subtract minus 8. After doing the calculation, write the final answer. So this is the final answer. 77,62,392. The value of 198 cube is, conclusion you can write. Like this you can write 198 cube is equal to, by putting commas. This is the conclusion. Now we will solve sixth sum. The sixth sum is 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Again same formula we will apply. Here a is 2p and b is 1 upon 2p. So a minus b the whole cube formula is a cube. A is 2p. So we will write 2p cube minus 3 into, say this, 3 into a square. A square is 2p square into b is 1 upon 2p plus 3 into, see here, 3 into a. A is 2p into b square. B square is 1 upon 2p minus what? 1 upon 2p cube, which is equal to, now 2p cube is what? 2p into 2p into 2p, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8p cube minus here 2p square means this 2p square means 2p into 2p, 1 2p we will cancel. So what will remain here? Minus 3 to the 6, 6p. I hope you have understood. See here 2p, I will just write it up this side. 3, see the answer is, question here is 3 into 2p square. 2p square means 2p into 2p into 1 upon 2p. So 2p will be cancelled. 3 to the 6 and this p minus 6p plus, now here again 1 upon 2p square. Now 1 upon 2p square means what? 3 into, I will just do it here because I have to write the steps. 3 into 2p into, according to laws of indices, this will be 1 square upon 2p square. A upon b raised to m is a raised to m upon b raised to m. So this will be 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square. Okay, 1 upon 2p square. Now this 2p means what? 2p into 2p. So 1 2p will be cancelled. See like this, 2p into, which is equal to 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p into 2p. See this, 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square. I am taking this one. Okay, here I wrote 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square means 2p into 2p. So 1 2p will be cancelled. So what will remain? 3 upon 2p. So here what we will get? So we will get 3 upon 2p. 3 into 1, 3 upon this 2p. 1 2p is cancelled. 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube means we are using this law. A upon b raised to m is a raised to m upon b raised to m. So 1 cube is 1 and 2p cube. 2p cube means, see this is 2p cube. So one more step I will write, which is equal to 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p. Now how we got here? 2p cube is 8p cube minus 1 upon. So 2p cube, I will write it down, 8p cube. This is the way you have to solve practice set 5.3.